Did you know that you could find community information in Find? How many of you have ever searched the zip codes in your farm area? Come into Find and find your zip codes, the areas you work in. Click on any property and click over onto Community Info. Get details on the zip code, such as community information, quick facts, rent-to-own ratios, average household income, average listing price and sale price, and so much more. The best thing about this, you can print a PDF and share it with your customer. Isn't that just amazing? All of that in a click. Click through Find, put it in the zip code, click on a property, click Community Info, and get quick information that you can use. Thanks for being a Miami member.